Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Podcast Home. I'm Adam.
And I'm Sarah. Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here today.
Yes, today we have a very exciting topic, small daily habits to improve your English.
That's right. We will talk about simple habits you can do every day to practice English and get better slowly but surely.
We will also share some important words and phrases, give practical tips, and show you how to use them in real-life situations.
And remember, this podcast is for everyone who wants to learn English naturally and have fun while learning.
Yes, so listen carefully, take notes if you want, and try the tips we share.
And don't forget, friends, if you like this podcast, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave a comment to tell us what you think.
That's right. And also, share this video with your friends who want to improve their English.
Okay, Adam, are you ready to start our episode?
Absolutely. Let's go, Sarah. Let's help our listeners improve their English with small daily habits.
Great. Let's get started.
Hello, Sarah. How are you today?
Hi, Adam. I am good, thank you. How about you?
I'm great, thank you. Today, we will talk about something very important for English learners.
Oh, that sounds interesting. What is it?
Today, we will talk about small daily habits to improve your English.
Small daily habits. Can you explain more, Adam?
Yes, of course. Small daily habits are little things you do every day. These things can help you improve your English slowly but surely.
Ah, I understand. So we don't need to study many hours every day, just small things?
Exactly. Small habits are easier to keep every day. For example, reading one page of a book or listening to a short podcast every day.
That sounds very easy and helpful. I like the idea. Sometimes when I try to study a lot, I get tired and stop.
Yes, that happens to many learners. That's why small habits are better. You can do them every day without feeling tired.
I see. Can you give some examples of small habits?
Sure. One habit is reading one paragraph or one page of an English book every day. Another habit is listening to a short English podcast like ours.
Oh, I like that. I try listening to English songs sometimes, but I don't always understand. Maybe podcasts are better.
Yes, podcasts are good because you can listen and understand slowly, and you can repeat what you hear.
That is true. I like repeating words and sentences. It helps me remember them.
Good, Sarah. That is another habit. Repeating new words or sentences every day can help you a lot.
Yes, I remember better when I repeat. Also, I try speaking with my friends in English, but sometimes I am shy.
That is normal. Many learners feel shy, but even speaking a little every day is a very good habit.
I see. So, speaking a little, reading a little, and listening a little every day. Is that the idea?
Exactly. These are small daily habits. If you do them every day, you will improve your English slowly but surely.
I like that. Small steps every day. I think this is easier than trying to study many hours at once.
Yes, Sarah. Small steps are very powerful. For example, if you read one page every day, after 1 month, you will have read 30 pages.
Wow, that is true. I never thought about it like that. 1 page every day is not much, but after 1 month, it becomes a lot.
Yes, and the same goes for listening. Listening 5 minutes every day can help your ears understand English better.
I like this idea. I will try it. Maybe I can listen to your podcasts every day.
That is a very good plan, Sarah. And another habit is writing one sentence in English every day. It can be about your day, your feelings, or anything you like.
Oh, writing one sentence every day? That is very easy. I can do that.
Yes, Sarah. Small habits are easy to do and help you improve slowly. Don't worry about doing too much.
I understand. It is better to do a little every day than a lot sometimes and then stop.
Exactly. That is the key. And the most important habit is consistency. Doing a little every day consistently is very powerful.
Yes, Adam, I will try to be consistent. Small daily habits. I like that.
Good. And listeners, you can start today. Choose one small habit. Read, listen, speak, or write. Just start.
That's a good idea. Even a small habit every day can make a big difference in the long term.
Yes, Sarah. Remember, English learning is a journey. Small steps every day will help you go far.
Thank you, Adam. I feel motivated to start today. Small habits every day. I will do it.
That's great, Sarah. And listeners, start small, be consistent, and enjoy your English learning journey. Hello again, Sarah. Now it is time to learn some new English words and phrases.
Hello, Adam. I am ready to learn. What words will we learn today?
Today, we will learn words related to our topic, small daily habits to improve English.
Oh, that sounds useful. I am excited.
The first word is habit.
Habit. Can you explain it, Adam?
Yes, a habit is something we do regularly, something we do every day.
Ah, I see. Habit is something we do often, every day.
Exactly. Can you give an example of a habit, Sarah?
Yes, reading one page of an English book every day is a good habit.
Very good, Sarah. That is a perfect example.
Thank you, Adam.
The second word is consistency.
Consistency. What does it mean?
Consistency means doing something in the same way regularly, not stopping, doing it every day.
Oh, so consistency is doing small habits every day without stopping.
Yes, Sarah, very good. Can you give an example sentence?
I will try. I will write one sentence in English every day. This is consistency.
Excellent. That is perfect, Sarah.
Thank you, Adam.
The third phrase is practice makes perfect.
Practice makes perfect. I think I have heard it before.
Yes, Sarah. It means if you do something many times, you will get better at it.
Oh, I understand. So if I speak English every day, I will get better. Practice makes perfect.
Exactly. Can you give another example?
Yes, if I listen to English podcasts every day, my listening will improve. Practice makes perfect.
Very good, Sarah. That is a perfect example.
Thank you, Adam.
The fourth word is goal.
Goal. Like a target?
Yes, Sarah. A goal is something you want to achieve, something you plan to do.
Oh, I see. My goal is to speak English fluently.
Very good. Can you give another example, Sarah?
My goal is to read one English book this month.
Excellent. Setting goals is very important for learning.
Yes, Adam. Goals help us stay motivated.
The fifth phrase is take small steps.
Take small steps. What does it mean exactly?
It means do little things slowly. Don't try to do everything at once. Small steps help you improve slowly but surely.
Ah, I understand. For example, reading one page every day is taking small steps.
Exactly. Another example, Sarah?
Learning one new word every day is also taking small steps.
Perfect. You are doing very well, Sarah.
Thank you, Adam. I feel more confident with these words now.
Good. Now let's practice a short conversation using all the new words.
Okay, Adam, I am ready.
Sarah, what is one habit you want to start this week?
I want to read one page of an English book every day.
Great. And how will you keep consistency?
I will do it every morning before breakfast.
Excellent. And remember, practice makes perfect.
Yes, I will listen to English podcasts and speak with friends. Practice makes perfect.
Very good. What is your goal for this month?
My goal is to learn 30 new words this month.
Perfect. And how will you achieve it?
I will take small steps every day, learn one word and one sentence every day.
Excellent. That is the best way to improve English.
Thank you, Adam. Now I understand these words clearly and I know how to use them.
That's great, Sarah. Listeners, remember these words: habit, consistency, practice makes perfect, goal, take small steps. Use them in your daily English learning.
Yes, use these words, practice every day, and take small steps. You will improve slowly but surely.
Perfect, Sarah. You are ready for your English journey. Hello again, Sarah. Now let's talk about real-life situations. How can we use our new words and phrases every day?
Hello, Adam. That sounds very useful. I want to know how to use them in real life.
Great. Let's start with a simple question. Sarah, if I want to improve my English, I can...
You can try reading one page of a book every day.
Excellent. And listening to podcasts also helps, right?
Exactly. Listening helps you understand how English sounds.
Good. And what about speaking? Sometimes I feel shy to speak English with my friends.
That is normal, but you can start with small steps. Speak one sentence every day.
That is a good idea. Small steps make learning easier.
Yes, and remember, practice makes perfect. Even one sentence every day helps you improve slowly.
Very true. And what about writing? Can writing help us too?
Definitely. You can write one sentence or one paragraph every day. That is both a habit and a small step.
Very good. And how can we keep consistency when learning English?
I think setting a time every day helps. For example, listening to a short English podcast every morning before breakfast.
Excellent idea. Setting a fixed time makes it easier to be consistent.
Yes, Adam. And I also use a notebook to write new words every day. That helps me remember them.
Perfect. Writing new words is a great habit. And what about goals? How do goals help learners?
Goals give us direction. If my goal is to learn 5 new words every week, I will focus on learning them.
Exactly. Goals help us stay motivated and organized.
Yes, and I think it is important to take small steps toward goals. Don't try to do everything at once.
Very true. For example, reading one page of a book, writing one sentence, listening to one podcast, these are all small steps.
And if we do these small steps every day, we will improve over time.
Exactly. Now let's practice a short conversation using our target words.
Okay, Adam.
Sarah, what is one habit you do every day to learn English?
I listen to a short English podcast every morning.
That is great. And how do you keep consistency?
I do it at the same time every day. Consistency helps me stay on track.
Very good. And what is your goal this month?
My goal is to learn 30 new words.
Excellent. And how do you achieve it?
I take small steps every day. I learn one new word and use it in a sentence.
Perfect. And remember, practice makes perfect. Even small steps every day will help you improve.
Yes, Adam. And I also speak one sentence to my friends every day. That helps me practice speaking.
Very good, Sarah. And listeners, you can try these tips too.
Yes, listen to a podcast, read a page, write one sentence, speak a little, small steps every day.
Exactly. And set a small goal for yourself. For example, 5 new words or one short paragraph every week.
That is very helpful. Setting small goals makes learning easier and more fun.
And don't forget consistency. Doing something every day is more important than doing a lot in one day.
Yes, small steps, consistency, and practice make perfect. These are very important for learners.
Great. And also enjoy the process. Learning English should be fun, not stressful.
Absolutely. Listen to interesting podcasts, read simple books, and speak slowly. Make it enjoyable.
Excellent advice, Sarah. And remember, listeners, even small daily habits can make a big difference over time.
Yes, start today, take small steps, and stay consistent. You will see improvement very soon.
Very good, Sarah. And that's the key. Habits, consistency, practice, goals, and small steps. Use them every day.
Yes, Adam. And remember, learning English is a journey. Little by little, we will get better.
Perfect. Keep practicing, keep learning, and take small steps every day.
Thank you, Adam. I feel motivated to start today and practice these tips.
Excellent, Sarah. Listeners, follow these tips and you will see progress soon. Hello again, Sarah. Now it is time to quickly recap what we learned today.
Hello, Adam. Yes, I am ready. Let's go over the main points.
Great. So, Sarah, what should our listeners remember today?
They should remember to practice one small habit every day and try using new words in conversation.
Excellent. Small daily habits really make a difference over time.
Yes, even small steps every day help us improve slowly but surely.
Exactly. And what are some of the important words and phrases we learned today?
We learned habit, consistency, practice makes perfect, goal, and take small steps.
Very good, Sarah. These words are very important for learners. Can you remind our listeners what habit means?
Sure, a habit is something we do regularly, every day. For example, reading one page of an English book every day is a habit.
Perfect. And what about consistency?
Consistency means doing something regularly without stopping. For example, listening to a short podcast every day.
Excellent. And don't forget, practice makes perfect.
Yes, if we practice every day, even a little, we will get better slowly but surely.
Very good. And what advice do you have for listeners who want to take small steps?
I would say start with one small thing every day. For example, learn one new word, speak one sentence, or write one sentence. These small steps add up over time.
Perfect. And what about goals? How can setting goals help learners?
Goals give us something to aim for. If we have a goal, like learning 30 new words in a month, we stay motivated and focused.
Very true, Sarah. And remember, listeners, it's not about doing everything at once. Small habits and consistency are more important than studying a lot one day and stopping the next.
Yes, take small steps, be consistent, and keep practicing every day.
That's excellent advice. And now let's give our listeners some encouragement. Sarah, what would you say to them?
I would say, don't worry if you make mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Keep practicing, take small steps, and you will improve.
Perfect. And I would say start today, no matter how small the step is. Even one sentence, one word, or one page every day will help you in the long run.
Yes, Adam, and try to use the new words we learned today. Habit, consistency, practice makes perfect, goal, and take small steps. Use them in your daily learning.
Exactly. And remember, learning English is a journey. Little by little, you will get better.
Yes, don't rush. Enjoy the learning process and keep going every day.
Very good, Sarah. And listeners, remember, you can do it. One small habit, one small step at a time.
Yes, keep learning slowly but surely and don't give up. Every small step counts.
Perfect. That's the key. Little by little, every day, you will improve your English.
Thank you, Adam. I feel motivated to practice every day now.
Excellent, Sarah. And listeners, remember, small daily habits lead to big results over time. Keep practicing.
Lead to big results.
Absolutely. Keep going, and we will see you in the next episode.
Bye for now, friends. Keep learning slowly but surely.
Bye, everyone.